Hi guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. You are watching my YouTube channel, Mr. Arif. Number two, become a freelancer. 75% of freelancers said their income improved as a result of their job change. Those with past job experience may build an intelligent brand by using their knowledge and networks. Although web development, graphic design, and writing are in demand, any workstream builds Sofis. You will want to create a specialization to distinguish yourself apart as a freelancing market becomes more competitive. Defining your ideal consumer is typically one way to try to achieve this. To promote their services, online freelancers frequently build a website. It is recommended to sign up on sites like Fiverr and have linked in profit to broaden your reach. The average freelancing wage is $21 per hour. However, this varies depending on the sector and region, and most importantly, the person's experience and skills. Number three, create a YouTube and TikTok channel. With the advantage of YouTube viewers and TikTokers, video content creations has become feasible to launch an internet business. Several channels have turned the video sharing platform into a six-figure income source. There are many different video topics to make, and many of them may be done at home. Product reviews, response commands, software tutorials, and cookery instructions are some of the examples. Or they can make interesting short videos that captivate. Some of examples are they can make interesting short video that capitalize on current trends and garner many views and likes. If you want to be a YouTuber, you will need to focus on gaining 1K subscriber and 4K watch time hour in the first few months. This way you can join the YouTube Partner Program. Only after that will you allow to use AdSense to monetize your channel. If you want to make a full-time living with only a million members, you might as well attempt crowdfunding, affiliate marketing, or other method. A YouTube with 1 million followers earn an average of $5,000 a month. Number four, begin a dropshipping business. You can collaborate with the supplier to sell their item on your site under a dropshipping business model. The seller is responsible for promoting the goods to the consumer, while the supplier is responsible for storage and delivery. Because inventory management is unaffected, startup capital is typically low. The average cost of setting up dropshipping website is around $150, which covers internet hosting, a domain name, and supply directory membership. Yet keep in mind that determining the quality of the products of monitoring the journey in real time will not be feasible. A good suggestion is to verify with vendors before working with them to avoid any issues. Number 5, do affiliate marketing. In 2022, affiliate marketing will be one of the most cost effective internet business options. This form of marketing has grown in popularity in recent years, even though it is not well adapted to generating revenue. Most people believe it to be a part digital marketing. In 2020 and 2021, COVID 19 has dominated a roller coaster ride in several sectors. In 2020, it will impact many aspects of life, including commercialization and affiliate marketing tactics. You can use your content for advertising your brand, products, or services. After that, provide a link that will take the consumer to the affiliated e-commerce store. When someone clicks on the link and buys anything, the marketer usually gets a commission. As you start your affiliate marketing business, you will want to target niche audience with the particular interest. This allows you to personalize your affiliate marketing for that specific niche, boosting your conversation rates rather than promoting various items you may advertise to the individuals that will most far more. You may profit from a list of few innovative marketing strategies that are continuously being created. Make sure that all of your new tactics are current to guarantee that your conversation rates and as a result your profits are as high as feasible. Number 6, establish a consulting firm. This is another excellent internet business opportunity for people with an extensive understanding of a particular subject. The purpose of this position is to assist individuals is resolving issues inside their organizations, whether they are connected to market operations or human resources. Many advantages come with becoming a consultant, including the ability to choose where and when you work, the type of work you do, and how much you charge for your time. Starting a consulting firm is low cost and it's simple to scale to match your lifestyle and financials. Two objectives should be to carve out a niche in the consulting industry by demonstrating how your personal and professional background translates into a distinctive point of view that adds value to the client. Finding client is the of the most challenging aspects of running a consulting firm, especially when you are initially a new buy. When starting, you are consulting firm, creating a strategy, managing money and organization, and growing the business are things to consider. It would assist if you enhance your abilities in these areas and ensure that you know the legal and tax implications of working for yourself. Number seven, do virtual UR and do virtual tour business. This is of the top 10 online business to export in 2022. Many business, including hospitality and real estate, use virtual tours before visitors can get to the actual place. You will use pictures, videos, and other multimedia components to bring it to life for them. How you may make virtual tours of practically anyone, any place, adapt apartments, houses, hotels, resorts, and neighborhoods are the most common. Working from home is the is one of the most comfortable features of this profession since you have practically no recurring expenditures. Capturing everything eliminates equipment expenses after the first investment unless you wish you replace the device entirely. Number 9, purchase and sell domains. Well done correctly buying and selling domain names is can be a successful online business. These properties can fetch premium prices, especially if they are in high demand. Buying and selling domains is a thrilling experience and that conjures up questions of buried pirate treasures of guessing the following. Comes to buying domain to resell them, there is always a learning curve. Ask questions of there who have gone before. Engage in forums like Nimpress.com. Keep up with industry trends using tools like domain.com and reach out the after Nick sport team and GoDaddy Aftermarket. I will be telling you other online business. Keep my YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.